The very first boat that I ever got was a 12-foot Valco, probably late 80s vintage model, painted steel trailer. I think I mowed lawns for 6 or 8 years before I got my first 4-stroke Honda, 20 horse, max rating for it, 2 guys, and we just grew up fishing Area 11.
My very first boat was a 12-foot John boat on a homemade trailer that I worked 2 summers on a farm to buy. And then I sunk it, and we actually drug it out of the Snohomish River, and I still own it today.
So I would say my first boat got it for Christmas when I was about 8 years old. I got a card in my stocking with a map. I followed the map, wound all the way through the house, all the way into the backyard, and there was a plywood Fram. Parents had, acquired this, and it was wintertime, so obviously never got to use it. But we did spend a couple months refiberglassing everything, repainting it. Ended up acquiring a Ted Williams outboard motor, which is associated with Sears, apparently. I just remember the throttle was a little bar you went across the front, and of course, always rode it, wide open, and used that boat for 5 or 6 years and migrated on from there.
Very first boat I ever had was a 14-foot jet boat. It was built by Hughes Craft with an old Johnson 70-horse Stinger on it. I saved every dollar I had. I bought for $1,500.